Did you know there are small, subtle actions that can make a woman think about you again and again without you even noticing it? Most men fail to recognize these signals, but today, you're going to learn how to become the kind of man she simply can't stop thinking about. Stay with me until the very end, because this final tip could genuinely change the course of any relationship. Welcome to the channel where we explore how the smallest details can improve your relationships and help you understand female psychology on a much deeper level. In this video, you'll learn 7 things that women truly appreciate, even if they don't often say it openly. If you've ever asked yourself what women genuinely value, here you'll finally discover the answers you've been searching for. Before we get started, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy content like this. It really helps me continue sharing insights and reflections like these. Also, if this video was helpful, leave a number 1 in the comments. If not, leave a number 2 so I can keep improving. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss future videos. First, the impact of a massage before intimate moments. Physical touch is one of the strongest ways to build emotional connection. For many women, a massage doesn't just relax the body, it also communicates care, attention, and affection. Including this gesture before an intimate moment can completely change the dynamic between you. Use a scented lotion or slightly warmed body butter. Take your time and avoid rushing. Focus on helping her feel comfortable and relaxed. This demonstrates that you care about her comfort and are willing to dedicate time to her well-being. Second, playful and respectful flirting. Many men avoid flirting because they're afraid of rejection or worried about crossing boundaries. However, there's a reality that often gets overlooked. Women enjoy being flirted with when it's done in a lighthearted and respectful way. Third, gently stroke her hair. It might seem like a small detail, but for many women, their hair is a particularly comforting and sensitive area. If you've never tried it before, consider giving it a chance. Softly running your fingers through her hair can create feelings of closeness, comfort, and intimacy. Just make sure the moment is appropriate. Doing it after an intense workout isn't the same as doing it during a peaceful, relaxing moment. Choose calm situations, such as sitting together watching TV or relaxing before bedtime. Avoid doing it when her hair is messy or immediately after the gym, as it may make her feel uncomfortable. Fourth, place your hand on her back. A simple but thoughtful gesture. One subtle way to guide her through a busy environment is by gently placing your hand on her back. This small action communicates protection without feeling controlling or intrusive. For example, hugging her when you're alone or softly kissing from her neck towards her back can deepen feelings of attraction and connection. In crowded settings, this gesture can reassure her and make her feel supported. Fifth, stand up for her when it's necessary. Many women appreciate knowing that their partner is willing to support and defend them when the situation calls for it, while remaining calm and in control. If someone behaves in a pushy, disrespectful, or uncomfortable way towards her and you step in appropriately, she will likely feel safe and valued. Even if she doesn't always express it, this can mean a great deal to her. Just be careful not to overdo it or act only for the sake of impressing her. Sixth, tell her you dreamed about her. It might seem like a minor detail, but for many women, knowing that she has a place in your deeper thoughts can be very meaningful. Sharing a dream that included her can increase